All right, well, it was a cloudy and a bit on the rainy side this afternoon. Now, as we head on into the night, we are seeing the showers decrease, and by tomorrow, probably getting more of that sunshine back into place. Now, as we take a look back at yesterday, we'll look at our numbers. Topped off at 81, our low was at 61 degrees. Both of those numbers well above average for this time of the year when we should typically be in those lower 70s and lower 50s. So about a good 8 degrees, actually, above where we should be across the area. Now, record highs back in the year of 1969 was at 91, and our record low back in the year of 1967 was at 34 degrees. So there are your numbers right there. No, we weren't quite all the way close to that number right there, but we definitely were warmer than average, and we're going to see that as we head over the next few days. That won't be the case. Numbers will start to fall back down closer, maybe even below average. But look at today's highs: 75 in Marquette, 78 in Munising, 77 in Escanaba, getting closer to that 80-degree mark in Iron Mountain. And our winds right now, mostly light out of the west and the southwest, anywhere between 5 to 10. Those should weaken below 5 miles per hour as we head on into the remainder of the night. Lighter showers in place as we head on into the evening. Now tomorrow, everything should be gone. More of that partial sunshine in place. Very comfortable air mass, maybe a bit warm as you head farther south, but the cool air, it starts to really settle into place heading into tomorrow night, and definitely will be around as we head on into Friday, as we're expecting afternoon highs only to reach the 60s for a lot of the area. Here's a look at the setup right now. Jet stream will part to right across the upper peninsula. That is going to give us more of that milder air mass. Temperatures right around average before things start to cool off just a bit more as the jet stream dips a little farther to the south. And we'll notice with this next chance of rain as we go on into the weekend that things will be a bit on the cooler side because of the clouds and rain in place. A few rumbles of thunder will be possible for us, but this weekend probably not going to be the best outdoor couple of days for us, as high temperatures or as clouds and rain will be in place on both days. Expecting that even to continue on with this looks like a pattern or at least a period of very active weather as we go on into Saturday, Sunday, and continuing on into the beginning of next work week. Now, a look at your futurecast model this evening. We are expecting that skies will eventually begin to clear, especially as we head on into the day tomorrow. Thursday looks to be a quiet day for us with lots of sunshine. Very clear for tomorrow night. A few clouds possible for us as we head on into Friday, and then we'll go on into Friday night, maybe a bit on the cooler side with temperatures trying to find their way back into the lower 50s. But by the time we get into Saturday, here's our next chance of rain. It starts to work its way in from the southwest. We'll see that on into the afternoon and the evening hours, and like I said, chances will linger on into our Sunday. Tonight, we'll drop down into those lower 60s for overnight lows. Heading on into tomorrow, we'll see more of those broken clouds in place with winds out of the west between 5 to 15 miles per hour. 72 for your high in Lawrence, at 71 in Ontonagon. Holding on to the warmth down in Florence, Crystal Falls, and Iron Mountain. Also seeing that into Escanaba and Manistee at 80 degrees. Upper 70s on the way for us heading into Munising, and Marquette will top off at 76. Your day planner, we start off with partly cloudy conditions. We'll see more of the sun on into the afternoon with highs around those middle 70s. And then by tomorrow night, mostly clear skies, but we are expecting the skies to become a bit more cloudy heading on into Friday. And also will be a bit on the cooler side with highs only topping off in the upper 60s. By Saturday, we'll top off at 68 degrees with the clouds building and the showers making their way in. Sunday, expecting more of the same for us there, but a bit on the warmer side, topping off at 72, and expecting more of that 70-degree weather to be in place as we head on to next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But not only just the 70s, look at that, not seeing much sunshine as we go on into next week at all. This will begin that pattern, like I was telling you about, or this period of active weather that we'll continue to see clouds in and out throughout the day. Rain chances will definitely be around Tuesday and Wednesday. Not calling for the rain, but it could definitely happen if all of this starts to linger on a little while longer. So not really expecting a lot of sun later on into the 7-day period, but over the next couple of days, we should see a decent amount.